Hi guys, today we will discuss data types and data variables, and previously I will discuss first program and future videos I will discuss so many topics in Java, core Java. That's it, and please subscribe my channel and support me, and let's start the video, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe and support to me. And we will discuss first topic, data types and data variables. Data types. Data types are so different types of data types are there in core Java. And data types. Java data types, two types, primitive and non-primitive data types. Another name is the reference. And primitive data types. Primitive data types, boolean, character, floating point, integer. These are primitive data types. And non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types: arrays, string, class, interface, enum, object. These are non-primitive data types. And non-primitive data types are, these are non-primitive data types, these are primitive data types. And boolean means boolean values. Boolean values means point values. Point values and float values. Boolean values is same. And characters. Character means words and letters. These are characters. And integers. Integer and byte, short, int, long. And these are integers. Byte means 1.001 and short 2 bytes, int and number of bytes, and long, and these are the bytes. Long, any phone number, address, these are 10 or more numbers store the long. And int, uh, 1 to 3 numbers, and short very less numbers, and byte also very less numbers. And float point of view is just decimal values. Okay, just decimal values. Boolean and float point are the same, decimal values are stored in it. And characters same. And non-primitive data types and arrays. Arrays is one type of list, and so many topics are there in arrays, and we'll discuss later. And strings are storing good data, any kind of data, symbols, numbers, letters, or any kind of data in stored in only string. And classes means a group of data types and combination of data types and methods. Okay, interface are so many topics are there, I will discuss later. And enum, object is one type of class. Okay, one type of class in object. A class and object method, these are three very important topics. And these are the data types. Okay, these are the data types, and I will discuss what type of data type very important in Selenium and core Java. And core Java, three types of variables very important in float, string. These three types of very important data types. And after local variables are three types of variables are there. And local variable, instance variable, static variable, class variable. The three types of variables are there in core Java. And this data type is a represent data. That represent data will stored variables. And variable a, int, is a one data type, represent data in a. And a is equal to 30 is a variable value. Okay, this is a variable value. and same as float data type also. Float represent data variable b, and variable b stored in 14.3. This is a variable value. And string is a data type, is a represent data. Data means variable name. Variable value is Suresh. Suresh is a variable value. These are the variable values, and these are the variables. And let's start next. We'll understanding coding real time examples. I will create one project Java full first program, and after I'm create package and programs in Java. I'm creating class in first program. I will create one more class and class first program, and this is a data types and variables. And I will get a name tc 001 001 data types methods. These are the variables. And now finish, click on finish and create in one program. Just I will create one more programs. I will creating data type string int float. These are the data types. I will create one variables and this variable name is name. Variable names id and percentage. This is a variables, and data type is represent the data in variables. This is a variable values. Okay, this is a variable values. This is a variable values. I will declaring some values. Name Durga Prasad and my id 7855 and percentage 18.0 percentage. Why are using error? Why are creating error means this is string. String is only double quotes under double quotes only. Okay, under double quotes only. This is very sensitive. Why are using this not closing tag? As a reason is creating and add float also this type of problem. I will go some float, add float value. These are the data types, and data types is representing data representing data is stored as variable means randomly fixed characters. String only choosing one name, and name set of datas. These datas printed one class in one method, and I will name since we cut space and id and percentage. These are the three types of and controllers. Let's run the program. These are the name, id, percentage. These are the float and int string data types, and data types represent data. That data is storing in variables and variables values. This is the data types, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And after this